Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display content or element for desktop layout only and hide on mobile and tablet layout in UX Builder in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So you can display image, text or button for desktop layout only. So this is our image, so click on it. Then on left side you see multiple option and then scroll down at the end you see advanced and then in advanced you see visibility. Now you see visible, drop down select and then you see option only for desktop. Now select this. So this image only show for desktop layout but hide on tablet and mobile portrait. Now on right side you see mobile, so click on it. Now you see image is hide for mobile and then click on tablet. Again you see image not display on tablet layout, only display on desktop layout and then click on apply. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.